also provided immediate impact. The team would make 3 straight finals appearances with the title in 2009 and 2010. And finally, 2-time NBA MVP Steve Nash. He'll join Kobe Powell and the rest of the Lakers after agreeing to that sign and trade deal, which will move Nash out of Phoenix. According to our friends out at MGM Resorts, where is this Las Vegas that people speak of? I don't get it. The Lakers are the third favorite. I mean, that's getting like the A's quality. It's not just like a legend. You're walking on the shade. Another example is to
Go see Uncle Jay. Go see Uncle Jay. Right there. Yeah.
I've been playing my last 3 tournaments. The greens awfully quick, and they had a lot of swing at the end because
Put that belly. Put the belly.
I missed literally every single play.
Belly.
There you go. Go ahead, Charlie. There you go. Get busy, Charlie. Go psycho. That's it. Go psycho. Yeah. 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 That's it. That's it. That's it, Charlie. Go psycho. That's it. Kill everything. Everything in sight. Yeah. Come on, Charlie. Kill everything in sight. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Lounging in your spot, having a ball.
Come on, get up there. Look at him. Look at him.
Mine.
Tico. Charlie. He is not eating that other food after eating the other. Him and Charlie.
Yo, he got fucking fell over. Yo, he's drunk. He's drunk. He's drunk.
He's dizzy.
He's drunk. He trying to use the table to hold him up. He's drunk.
Charlie's
drunk.
Oh yeah, boy. I got you. Look at
Charlie's drunk. Oh.
No, he's faded. Charlie
Got you.
Oh.
You see what he did, Mom? He took the little chirp thing, he ripped that toy open. Get out of here. Was pulling the stuffing out with his teeth. Just mutilating it.
Jesus.
I wanted to fix it and sew it back in, but he ripped it so wide, it just turned all over.
It looked like she's hitting the
Look at
boxing.
that jab. Look at that jab.
She hitting the boxing bag. Yeah. Yeah.
It's so cool.
Give me that damn thing.
Hey, let go.
Give me it. I'll rip it to shreds. Now,
You're just so cute.
give me that.
I know. He growls.
Oh, that's so cute.
I didn't hear it
Ooh.
He growls. I didn't know cats growl. I knew they hiss, but I didn't know they go.
Yeah.
No, he
No,
growls.
it's a growl,
A
yeah.
purr is he sounds like a little humidifier when he purrs.
Yeah.
But that growl is
The first night we had him over the house when he was exploring for like the 4 or 5 hours and we had the game on and stuff. I said to Johnny when he was coming around the chair, I made it so he could come across like a TV tray table, and I put pillows so he could come from the couch and then come over the table onto the chair,
wow,
then down my
yeah.
back, and then he'd go around to John. He'd keep making the rounds like this. So he was up. It was one time when he stopped. He was on my shoulder and he started, doing this against my head, and I mean it was the loudest purr. And I looked at Johnny. I said, "Can you hear that?" And he said, "I can hear it across the room." I mean, it was just so precious. This little cat was just so happy to be off the street.
I know.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Charlie? What are you doing?
He giving up. Charlie meowing, staring at the canned food. Sorry, Beans. I love you.
You got next? You ready to shoot him up? You got next, buddy? Huh? Thank you, buddy.
Excuse me. He is not flinching. Am I disturbing you, Charlie? Charlie? Good morning. Beans is hiding. Charlie. Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hi.
Sally, what you doing? What?
I bet you ain't never hear that, Jay. He been chirping all morning.
Exit 7 toward Robbinsville.
Yeah, he act like he looking for a way to escape.
Aww. Oh, he bumped his head into the thing.
Hello, buddy. We missed you. Your boy Tico misses you too. He misses you so much.
Oh, Charlie, don't you dare.
You made the lap? You finished the lap? Huh?
He's sure another gas, I guess.
This is like the most active seeing his little butt. He wondered where he at. That's gonna help.
He wants your money.
Nobody. Hi. What's going on, man? That's my boy. I know you missed us. I know you missed us, buddy. I know, boy.
Want me to open up the blanket?
I know you tired, baby. I know you tired, boy.
Charlie winked at me.
No, he tired, boy. I know you want to leave, buddy. I know, boy. I know, boy.
Your eyes still look funny.
I know, boy. I know, boy.
He winked at me like 2 times. 3 times now.
Wait, look at his eyes. Wait, Craig.
What happened?
Look at his eyes. Are they rolling? Is he just looking at us, just scanning?
I think he's just scanning.
Okay. Can I try?
Nothing's happening with his eyes, Mommy.
They just.
Beanie baby.
Hi, Charlie. Oh my gosh, my precious boy. Oh my gosh, look at you. You're moving your head around. That's great. Oh yeah. You getting there, buddy. Mm-hmm. Oh, he's trying to get back in. Oh, let me open it for you. Let me open it for you. Here. Okay. There you go. Your BFF is here, buddy.
Too. Yes, I do, Charlie. You know it, huh?
Love you, Charlie.
Okay. You wanna rest?
I understand. No. You almost have